Hi there, welcome to your prosperity life. Are you ready for a cosmic shakeup that could change your life forever? On August 19, 2024, the biggest and most powerful supermoon of the year will grace our skies. And it's not just a pretty sight, it's a game changer. Now you might be thinking, it's just the moon, what's the big deal? But hold on to your hats, because this isn't your average full moon. This supermoon is like a cosmic amplifier, cranking up the volume on everything in your life, the good, the bad, and the transformative. Forget what you think you know about astrology and lunar events. This supermoon is set to defy expectations and challenge beliefs. It's not just about making wishes or taking pretty pictures. It's about tapping into an energy so powerful it could potentially alter the course of your life. But here's the kicker. Most people will sleep right through this opportunity, completely unaware of the cosmic lottery ticket they're missing out on. So, are you ready to harness this once-in-a-year phenomenon? Are you prepared to elevate your frequency, manifest your deepest desires, and align with the universe in ways you never thought possible? Buckle up, because we're about to dive into the secrets of the August 19th supermoon. And trust me, by the end of this, you'll never look at the night sky the same way again. But before we start, I invite you to subscribe to our channel and feel free to share your opinion in the comments below. On August 19, 2024, the night sky will be graced by the most powerful supermoon of the year, a celestial event that's not just rare, but profoundly impactful. Imagine the moon, closer to Earth than usual, glowing with an intensity that makes you pause, reflecting on the sheer magnitude of the universe. This supermoon isn't just another astronomical occurrence, it's a moment that amplifies the energies around us, creating a unique opportunity for deep introspection and manifestation. The way the moon influences our planet, its oceans, its weather, mirrors how it can influence our personal energy, making it an ideal time to align your intentions with the cosmos. This supermoon, due to its perigee proximity, offers more than just a breathtaking visual display. It's a time when the veil between the physical and spiritual worlds feels thinner, allowing for a heightened sense of consciousness and connection. People often experience an elevation in their frequency during such events, sensing an increase in their intuitive abilities and a deeper understanding of their own inner vibrations. It's as if the universe is offering a powerful boost to our own energetic fields, urging us to visualize and manifest our desires with a clarity that's rarely achievable during other phases of the lunar cycle. But beyond the beauty and the esoteric allure, this supermoon has practical implications that anyone can embrace. Consider using this time to engage in practices that elevate your personal frequency, such as meditation, journaling, or even a simple act of gratitude. By consciously tuning into the energy of this supermoon, you're not just witnessing a natural wonder, you're participating in a cosmic dance that can propel your intentions into reality. As the moon's light bathes the earth in its luminous glow, think of it as a spotlight on your own journey, highlighting the path you're meant to walk next. And this is just the beginning. The effects of this supermoon will ripple through various aspects of our lives, leading us into deeper explorations as we move forward. While the sheer size and brilliance of the supermoon on August 19, 2024, will captivate stargazers worldwide, its true significance extends far beyond its visual splendor. This lunar event is a powerful reminder that the cosmos operates on a level of energy and intention that often eludes our everyday awareness. The supermoon acts as a celestial amplifier, heightening the spiritual and emotional vibrations that influence our inner world. It's a moment ripe for introspection, a time when the universe seems to whisper, inviting us to look within and realign our intentions with the natural flow of energy surrounding us. During this supermoon, the heightened energy creates a window of opportunity to connect more deeply with our subconscious mind. Many find that their dreams become more vivid, their emotions more pronounced, and their intuition more accurate. This is not merely coincidental, it's as if the universe is offering us a clearer channel through which to receive guidance and insight. The key to unlocking this potential lies in our ability to embrace stillness and listen, truly listen, to what our inner voice is saying. Whether it's through meditation, quiet reflection, or simply observing your thoughts, this supermoon encourages a deeper dive into self-awareness and conscious manifestation. But what does this mean in practical terms? It's about setting aside time to consciously engage with this powerful energy. Think of it as an energetic tune-up, a chance to recalibrate your intentions and elevate your personal frequency. You might choose to create a vision board, write down your goals, or simply sit in silence and visualize the life you desire. Whatever method resonates with you, the important thing is to act with intention, knowing that this supermoon amplifies your energy, making your manifestations more potent. This event isn't just about observing the moon, it's about actively participating in a cosmic ritual that aligns your personal energy with the universe's grand design. The impact of supermoon on August 19, 2024, reaches far beyond the physical world, delving deep into our inner lives. For many, the supermoon acts as a catalyst for heightened intuition and emotional awareness, opening a door to self-discovery and personal growth. It's a time when the veil between our conscious and subconscious minds is thinned, allowing us to access insights and understandings that might otherwise remain hidden. This alignment with the lunar energy can spark moments of clarity where past experiences and unresolved emotions come to the surface, offering a unique opportunity for healing and transformation. During this period, people often report feeling more attuned to their inner voice, with an increased ability to sense the subtle energies around them. This isn't just a coincidence. The supermoon's influence can magnify our sensitivity to these vibrations, making us more aware of our emotional and spiritual states. It's as if the universe is shining a light on our deepest desires, fears, and hopes, encouraging us to explore them with an open heart. Meditation, journaling, or simply spending time in nature can help you tap into this heightened awareness, providing a space to reflect on your journey and realign your path with your true intentions. But this increased sensitivity also comes with challenges. The amplified energy can stir up unresolved issues, making them more difficult to ignore. This is where the real work begins, using this time to confront these emotions head-on, rather than pushing them aside. By embracing this process, you can transform what might initially feel overwhelming into a powerful tool for growth. This supermoon invites you to dive deep into your inner world, to listen to the whispers of your soul, and to take steps toward becoming the person you're meant to be. And as we continue to explore this cosmic event, we'll see how these internal shifts can align with the universe's guidance in profound ways. As the supermoon graces the night sky on August 19, 2024, it doesn't just illuminate the physical world, it also lights up the pathways of our lives, often in unexpected and mysterious ways. During this time, many people report an increase in synchronicities, those seemingly coincidental events that carry a deeper meaning. It's as if the universe is sending out signals, guiding us toward the next steps on our journey. These synchronicities can manifest in various forms, from meeting the right person at the right time to stumbling upon the perfect opportunity when you least expect it. The key is to remain open and aware, ready to recognize and act on these subtle nudges from the universe. This supermoon, with its potent energy, amplifies these moments of guidance, making it an ideal time to tune into the signs around you. Whether it's a repeated number sequence, a meaningful conversation, or a chance encounter, these synchronicities are the universe's way of communicating with you. They serve as reminders that you are not alone in your journey and that the energy you put out into the world is being met with a response. This is the perfect moment to practice visualization, to set clear intentions, and to trust that the universe is working in your favor. By aligning your energy with the cosmic rhythm, you increase the likelihood of experiencing these guiding moments. But how do you harness this potential? Start by paying attention to the small details in your daily life. Keep a journal of these occurrences, noting how they make you feel and what thoughts or ideas they trigger. Reflect on how these synchronicities align with your current goals or desires. This practice not only helps you recognize these moments, but also strengthens your connection with the universe, allowing for even more meaningful guidance to come your way. As we delve further into the effects of this supermoon, we'll explore how these synchronicities intertwine with the zodiac's influence, revealing deeper layers of cosmic wisdom. As the supermoon on August 19, 2024, casts its luminous glow, its influence will be felt by all. But for those born under the signs of Leo, Virgo, and Aquarius, the effects will be particularly profound. This isn't just about astrology, it's about understanding how the unique energies of this supermoon interact with the qualities of these signs, offering specific opportunities for growth and transformation. For Leos, this supermoon may bring a surge of confidence and creativity, urging them to step into the spotlight and embrace their natural leadership qualities. It's a time to shine, to manifest bold visions, and to elevate their frequency through acts of courage and generosity. Virgos, on the other hand, may find themselves drawn to introspection and organization. The supermoon's energy can help them see the bigger picture, making it easier to let go of perfectionism and embrace a more holistic approach to life. This is an ideal time for Virgos to set clear intentions around their personal and professional goals, using the heightened lunar energy to visualize a future that aligns with their values and desires. It's about creating order not just in the physical world, but in the emotional and spiritual realms as well, allowing for a deeper sense of peace and fulfillment. Aquarians will experience this supermoon as a time of heightened intuition and innovation. The energy of the moon may inspire them to think outside the box, to explore new ideas, and to connect with their inner visionary. For Aquarius, this is a period of breaking free from old patterns and embracing change, whether in their personal lives or in the broader world. The supermoon encourages them to trust their unique perspective and to manifest their ideas into reality with confidence. As we continue to explore the effects of this powerful lunar event, we'll also consider how its physical proximity to Earth influences both our environment and our emotional states, revealing even more layers of its impact. The supermoon on August 19, 2024, isn't just a spectacle for the eyes. It also brings with it tangible physical effects, both on the Earth and within ourselves. As the moon reaches its closest point to Earth, known as perigee, its gravitational pull becomes stronger, resulting in more extreme tides. These heightened tidal forces can lead to noticeable changes in our natural environment, from rising sea levels to increased coastal activity. But beyond the oceans, this gravitational influence can also subtly affect the Earth's crust, contributing to minor shifts and movements that remind us of the interconnectedness of all things. These physical effects are mirrored in our emotional and energetic states. Just as the tides rise and fall in response to the moon's pull, our emotions can feel more intense, fluctuating with greater frequency. This isn't a time to shy away from these feelings. Instead, it's an opportunity to tune in and understand what they're trying to tell us. The supermoon's energy can act as a magnifier, bringing underlying emotions to the surface, making it easier to address and heal them. Whether it's through meditation, grounding exercises, or simply spending time in nature, connecting with these natural rhythms can help us navigate this intense period with grace and awareness. It's also worth noting how these physical effects can serve as a reminder of the importance of balance. Just as the Earth responds to the Moon's proximity, we too are influenced by these cosmic forces. This is a time to practice self-care, ensuring that we are nurturing our bodies and minds to maintain equilibrium during this energetic shift. Whether that means getting more rest, engaging in calming activities, or simply being mindful of our emotional state, it's crucial to stay grounded. As we move forward, we'll explore how to manage the potential challenges this supermoon presents, ensuring that we harness its positive aspects while minimizing any disruptions. While the supermoon brings with it an abundance of energy and potential, it's also a time that can present certain challenges. The amplified lunar energy, while powerful, can lead to heightened emotional sensitivity, making it easy to feel overwhelmed or anxious. This isn't uncommon. During such potent cosmic events, our emotional thresholds are often tested, and small issues can feel magnified. For many, this might manifest as irritability, restlessness, or even sleep disturbances. It's essential to recognize these feelings not as obstacles, but as opportunities to practice emotional resilience and self-compassion. One of the key challenges during this supermoon is managing the intense energy that can disrupt our usual routines, particularly when it comes to sleep. The bright light of the moon, combined with its strong gravitational pull, can make it difficult to unwind and rest. This can lead to a cycle of fatigue and irritability, which, if not addressed, may affect your overall well-being. To counteract this, it's important to establish a calming evening routine, perhaps through activities like reading, gentle stretching, or listening to soothing music. Additionally, grounding practices such as deep breathing or spending time outdoors can help stabilize your energy and improve your ability to navigate this period with a clear mind. Moreover, the supermoon's influence can bring personal issues to the forefront, making them harder to ignore. Whether it's unresolved conflicts, lingering doubts, or unfulfilled desires, these matters may demand your attention more than usual. Instead of avoiding these challenges, consider this an invitation to confront and work through them. By approaching these issues with a mindset of growth and transformation, you can turn potential obstacles into stepping stones for personal development. As we conclude this exploration of the supermoon's impact, it's important to recognize that while these challenges may be daunting, they also hold the key to unlocking deeper levels of self-awareness and inner peace. As we approach the climax of this cosmic event, it's clear that the supermoon on August 19, 2024, offers more than just a visual spectacle. It presents an opportunity to truly transform your life. But here's the challenge. Will you take the steps necessary to align with this powerful energy? Will you allow the heightened vibrations to guide you toward your deepest desires? Or will you let this moment pass without fully embracing its potential? Now is the time to take action. Reflect on the insights you've gained, tune into the synchronicities around you, and make the conscious choice to elevate your energy. How will you harness this lunar power in your own life? What intentions will you set, and how will you manifest the abundance that's waiting for you? The universe is offering its guidance. Are you ready to listen? Before you go, if you like this content and want to know more, click on another video that appears here on the screen. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. By doing so, you'll continue to receive valuable insights and guidance on your journey of spiritual and personal growth. Let's keep this conversation going, and together, we'll unlock the limitless potential that the universe has in store for each of us. Gratitude.